Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove or replace your video's background in CapCut apps. So tap on your project, select your video you like to remove the background and add the other background. I'm going to open my project, so there is a video and I'm going to remove the background. Just click on the clip and then select cut out. Select remove background to remove the background automatically. Click check mark, and I'm going to add another background. Just click add icon, select photos that I want to add as a background. Click add. So make the video as an overlay. Just click on the video and then select overlay and adjust for the image duration in the same length with the duration of the video, and then you can merge it just for the scale. Here we go. This is the final effect you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.